Well, hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. I told you all when I showed my stuff about the Polish and Beauty Expo that I was going to order some stuff from some of the booths that I didn't get to actually visit while I was at the expo. And I placed an order with Girly Bits, and this company is out of Canada. So it took me a little while to get them, but I've got them now. It came with, they sent a couple of cute little stickers, y'all. I didn't even know I was a sticker junkie until I got into polish, and now I'm a sticker junkie. And then it came with this little smushy mushy thing. I don't really know what it is or what you're supposed to do with it. So anyway, I guess cute. At my house, it'll be a cotton fur collector. And then I also, so the deal was, I think if I spent so much money, reached a cap or whatever, I'd get free shipping. So to finish off my order, I got some Girly Bits pedicure potion in the scent Lavender Marshmallow. And it was all taped up, and it's in this cute little purple bottle. And so there it is. And it smells like lavender marshmallow. So I'm going to definitely be using that. Will not be showing that on my channel because I don't do feet here on my channel. So what I ordered was I got a collection, and I'll show those in a second. First I'm going to show you the single polish I got. So they all came with these little swatch rings on them, which are really cute. And I suppose I could use them today to swatch these for you. But this one is, no, this is a 5-piece collection, excuse me. Anywho, so all 5 of these are together, and this is Honky Tonk Blues. I don't have anything like this. This is like shredded Crayola and nail polish. It's just got all the colors. So that's that one. Next is Nash Vegas. And these aren't showing up like as chromy on camera, I think, as they are in real life. We will get to play with those. And then Hot Summer Chicken. No, Hot Chicken Summer. Get it right. So the Honky Tonk Blues collection is just funny. It's got cute names. This is like an orange with yellow and pink glitters in it. And then next we have Fiddle Me This. And I love the name of this one. And to me that just reminds me of like watermelon in a bottle or something. I don't know. Too cute. And then the last one is Seize Every Opportunity. That's a take on the Opry, you know. So there is that one. Hi, Cotton. How you doing? Cotton says hello, everyone. Okay, I'm probably not going to use these just because I find them harder to work with than my other, you know, like swatch wheels. So I'm going to pop those all off and get my swatch wheel ready, and we're going to swatch these. Alrighty, here we go. We're going to start off with Honky Tonk Blues. Oh, it's been a while since I had a Girly Bits polish. I like the brush. I do, I do, I do. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm seeing all kind of pretty shimmer in there. Can y'all see the pink shimmer? Okay, and this next one is Nash Vegas. Now, you guys know I have an affinity for calling Nashville Nash Vegas. And I love that I've got like 3 polishes now with that name. Oh my. Oh, how pretty. Oh. Well, that one just made the air catch in my throat. And y'all are not seeing it as pretty as I am. I'm going to turn off one of these lights. Maybe 2 of these lights. To see if we can get it to play right. Okay, we're going to play with the lighting here in a minute. And then the next one is Seize Every Opportunity. And I didn't do these in order as what I showed in the opening, but we'll get along. Ooh, pink lemonade in a bottle. Oh, I love that. Oh, how pretty. Alrighty. And then the green one is Fiddle Me This. Now, my grandmother, on my mother's side, she never, ever, ever cussed. And she used to say fiddlesticks all the time. So anytime I say fiddle anything, it makes me think of her. Oh, and this is so pretty. Oh, I'm loving these. There is some deep shimmer in these that are showing up on the nail. Just, oh, it's stunning. And then Hot Chicken Summer is this orange one here. I am loving these. These are so different. So cool. I love that deep shimmer that's running through them. Those are stunning. Okay, we're going to roll back to the very beginning and do a second coat. And this is how I paint my nails, y'all. I do, like, start on one side, go to the other, finish, start back with the next one. I don't wait a whole long time. I just don't. So, Honky Tonk Blues. Oh, that's just really unusual. It's like confetti or something. It's just so unusual. Honky Tonk Blues. And then Nash Vegas again. And I'm so glad they did that one. The pinky purple one's Nash Vegas. Oh, these are just so pretty. I'm loving them. And I'm only going to do 2 coats on the swatches with some top coat. Digging that. And then Seize Every Opportunity. Oh man, yeah. Yay, that's so cool. Get some of these out of the way. And then Fiddle Me This. I just love things that remind me of friends or family or loved ones, friends, and all that good stuff. I love that. So unique. This whole collection's just tripping me out because it's so different. You know, it takes, when you got a collection like mine, it really takes something to blow my mind because my polish collection's a little off the chain. Alrighty, so there they are. Alrighty, I have top coated these and I'm just going to run through them real quick. This first one here is Honky Tonk Blues. And I'm going to try to, like, sorry, I'm bouncing around. I'm going to try to give it a little bit of time to do a little flashy flash. And then this next one here is Nash Vegas. I don't think holding the bottles up helping them. So there's Nash Vegas. And then Seize Every Opportunity right here with the yellow. And then Fiddle Me This right here with the green and the pink. And then finally the last one is Hot Chicken Summer. Very, very cool. These are all very beautiful, very unique to my collection, and I'm really excited to have them. Hopefully I will be able to get to them soon to do some manicures and show you all. Like I said, I got these off of Girly Bit's website, so if you're interested, you can go check them out. And that'll be it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this little haul swatch session. And that is it for me today. I hope you guys are having a good day. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.